Hi, I'm Natalie Marionneaux. I'm doing my screencast for my teaching website for Mrs. Debbie Harriman's class. So this is my website. It is a teaching website. I'm a teacher for lower elementary school students. This is the introduction in the home page. I have a little bit of information about me, and I have links to my biography page. So this just gives students a good overview of what my website offers. Going to my tech blog really quickly, which is linked in the bottom left, I have my 3 posts, my introduction, my copyright post, and my wiki post. And then I have some free technology links to the right, and then my biography. And going to my biography on my website again, I have a little about me and a photo. For my resources, I have a bunch of different links to different resources students can use, and those are all separated by subject and then linked to the main page. So you can click on each of those links and it brings you to the right page. So I have some history resources, some science resources, some math resources, some reading resources, and finally I have some general resources. And then going to my favorites, I have linked to all of the different Brainpop subject pages so the students can interact directly on my website with the Brainpop interface. So I have the science website, the social studies, the English, and the math, and the arts and music. And then within that, there's a bunch of different subjects that students can find out more information about if they're behind on something we're learning in class or confused about something. For my tech projects, this is a slideshow about shapes around campus. So I have just some different shapes I found on campus just that people would see in everyday life. And then for my educational PowerPoint, I have animals around the world. And then for each of these, I have little explanations so students know what the slides are about. And so this is just a little picture of animals and a little fun fact in a word blurb like they're saying it to make it a little bit more interesting. And then within my tech projects, I have my digital story, which you can watch directly on there. It is on the rock cycle, and I go over the 3 different kinds of rocks. I have my PLN and PLE charts, so I have little explanations of what those are, as well as the link to my personal charts. And then I have my other PLN assignment where I have explanations about blogs, curation tools, and microblogs, and I have little reflections connected to each of those. So you can click on these and you can go to the reflection pretty easily. So that is the reflection for blogs. This is the reflection for curation tools. And then this finally is the reflection for microblogs. And those are all linked and available for students. And then I have my mobile app. I did Kahoot, so I have a little explanation about Kahoot. And then I just have an overview, basics, classroom uses, benefits, challenges, and a video tutorial that is linked. You can watch it directly on there. And then I have my website evaluation form. I evaluated ABC YA, which is for lower elementary school students. So I have all of that on there, and you can just scroll down and see all of that. And then I have my Apple Teacher certification. I was certified in iPad Apple Teacher certification, but I just have my general certificate here. And then this is where I will insert my screencast as soon as I'm finished with it. So you can just go back up to the top left and it brings you back to the home page. And yeah, that is my website. Thank you.